Hello, my dear friends. Long time not to see you. Maybe you ask where I am today, where we are today. I don't know to answer to that question. Maybe you have another question why long time I don't post. I don't post because I have some problems, and this channel is not about problem. Another is the content of this channel. But now I'm looking for something I cannot find again. Somewhere here, send the GPS somewhere here. I leave the car here, middle of nowhere. Nobody's here. One Savage Beach again is here. There's nothing else. The GPS said I'm 1 minute here. I cannot go with the car from there. It's about something what they build on, man. With too much money, of course, sure. It's very nice from the stones. It's Labyrinth, said. Very, very nice. It's red sand is building, it's not have some history, but it's impression on what they do it. You will see how I reach there, and to see also us, resorts that I don't know how to go there, from where. From here is our restaurant. Nothing indication, nothing. Very strange. You will see. I park the car here, can park here. Doesn't matter, I don't know where is the road to go there. How to reach there. From where? From here. Strange. It's coming one car. They said I go far further. Look at what it is. Through something. I think I see something. Nice, very nice beach here. Good for detection. Beach. Look at this, man. What the hell? Two maps said here, and I'm not here. What the heck is this map? I'm more near, my friend. About the map, say the morning. I have slippers here, the road is very, so much dust. No problem. Look at there, and that small beach. I leave my car there, very far, and look at where I find what I look for. The GPS said is there, but it's not there actually. It's lying again, the GPS. It's here. Here you are going to see imagination one rich man. I think it's rich because you come here. Maybe it's not so rich, who knows? It's come here and it's build this, buy the land and build this for himself. They need to have little money. All details about this project I'm going to attach in my description for everybody to see it. My car is very far there. No problem. But I see one church there. Interesant. How I reached there. After this hill. You will see investigation of the area. But first I want to see this labyrinth, Muntyans labyrinth. The name I think is Armenian, the guy. Muntyans, something Armenian, this guy. I think. I don't know, sure, nothing. And look at it, see it. Here, my friends, down here. Wow. Look at my friends, look at how many plants. And look at it. This is what can build one man. What about if you are building all of us? Where is the entrance of this labyrinth here? They put aloe vera. Oh, what is the entrance of this? Can I enter from here? No. Don't leave me. This aloe vera to enter from. Maybe from here I can enter little. Sorry. Ouch. Look at this. Too much work to make this. But they are doing it. Middle of nowhere. They buy this land and they're building this. Look. And they plant flower here. Most of them don't need water because they are cactus and like that. But look at here. Somebody broke it. Somebody destroyed it. Look. What the heck is not nice. Maybe they look for some treasure or something. Look it. They're destroyed. They're taking the stone. The stone, they're very nice, but if somebody told them some treasure here or something. Look, also there they're destroyed. People, they're evil everywhere. How to destroy this manoper, this capodoper? This they're staying too much to build this. To send our message. I don't know what message want to send this guy. And for who? But how can destroy this? Something want to send our message this guy here, but who know the message? Let me know in the comment. Maybe you are one friend of this guy. Maybe also this guy is still alive. See it, this who built here is in the Google Maps. You can find it. I'm going to put the name. I don't remember now. Look what stone. Strange stones. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Look, they put something here. Wow, what is in this? Wow, now I see. All of them have sign. All of them they have some sign. Fun gem. Look at this. Wow. All of them they have some sign. Oh, this sign, why they don't take it? And they take that stones from there. Very strange. Very strange. What mean here? Wow, you know what is this? I know this kind of fruits. This is dragon ball. Dragon fruit, dragon fruits. Wow, they are going to stay here when it grow up. That means dragon don't need too much water. If somebody comes to put water to them. Maybe pay somebody to come to take care. Maybe him house is there. Who knows? But look, here is like somebody rest here. Dead. See it? A lot strange places in Cyprus. A lot strange places. If you want to see only with me, you can see this strange place. I'm enjoying to find these strange places to show to everybody. Of course, this is for showing some attention want. They build this. And here is the sea. Look, here is the sea. My car is very far. Again, I need to make little sport, gymnastics. But what can I do? Look, here is the sea. All what I can find in the church I put in there, and look, it's scuba diving. They are doing for fishing, scuba diving, catch fish. Wow, wow, on Purple Beach, very nice, very nice. How we go back? They're going to bring the crab here. Why not? It's good. It's good for detection. This. Don't think you can find something here. Nobody stay here, but it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good to try. Nobody knows. For trying is good. Nobody knows what bringing the sea. Sea can bring a lot of things. Okay, my friends, need to go in my car and see you with next episode. And if you see I don't post, that means happening something with me. I'm sick or problem with the cars or that problem. I'm not fast, you know. It's me and my family after YouTube. And appreciation, nothing. I work hard on YouTube and no appreciation, no like, no comments. If you see, watch, it's very easy to push like button. That is give me power to continue. Understand me? See you, bye bye.